What's up guys? Aluglobus checking out here. Let's see what we got. So Aluglobus specializing in giving exclusivity products, exclusivity pricing below market, so you contractors can make your money and also get your customer the best products of the future, plus never going down on the quality of our hardware. Let's check out the gates a little bit. We got the Alu 40, beautiful. We have also Alu 60, Alu 20, Alu 1.5 as well. We got the wood look gate right here with the massive arm, looking good, nest operation, fingerprint, super stability gate. People opening the gates and they're like, wow, this is a gate. This is aluminum? Yeah, it is aluminum. With our Aluglobus engineering inside the frame, there are super heavy duty extrusions that make this gate quality matters. Close this gate, nest, bam. That's it, your gate's closed. Beautiful operation, nest, touchscreen, you got the beautiful arm, and you can do on our frames any design you want. From Alu 40, 60, 20, 15, wood-like, vinyl, or composite, you name it, you do it. And check out our DIY kits, do it yourself. All right, got a pull enclosure gate, you got your latch, you got self-closing hinges, you got vinyl. This is a breaking point market value, because the pricing are just absolutely insane and the weight is almost nothing. This will break engineering and you can do really amazing sizes. Plus, you'll given you an option for your customers to buy something that is super budget friendly, because the fence panel is just unbelievable pricing, and I'll show you right here. There's your fence panel for this system, and the price point is just a breaker, because we evaluate these products are going to go for a long linear foot project, so they must be valued correctly. Let's go, move on. You got the gold glass over here with the same system, beautiful hardware, deadbolts, and we got a custom frame. Come check out this color, show them. So Aluglobus, we make our products so you're able to do any color you want. Even if you want it raw, we'll give you a raw aluminum gate. But if you want a special color like this, not a problem, and it will happen. Beautiful handle, beautiful setup, and super heavy duty. Going into our privacy fence, which I want to go on the outside right now. So same thing, we got the budget-friendly fence, which is created with aluminum framing and vinyl inserts. It's embossed vinyl, so it's heavier duty, not your ordinary vinyl from your retail stores. This is a contractor line we have to deliver. Then you have the TNG aluminum, same engineering, tongue and groove, super sleek, wood finish as well. So you have black, custom color, or wood finish. Amazing pricing. Wood finish will look something around these colors. This is a super custom sliding gate. It's a frameless wood-like, and you got your beautiful handle here. You got a stopper, low profile wheels. There's about 1.5 inch gap. People love the gap. That's why we said about hardware. Aluglobus hardware kings. Look at this beautiful guide roller. You don't see the guide rollers. You do see the screws, but you don't see the rollers. Amazing. You got your base plates, different colors, raw aluminum. You can paint any color you want. Different kind of post extrusion, no screws whatsoever, different colors and different sizes for different projects. Composite are beautiful. We have our third gen right here behind this beautiful. This is just amazing. Our new system here, you'll be amazed. And it's solid on the back. Aluglobus, checking out here. If you're a contractor, developer, you must stop in this booth or come and visit us in one of our locations, or we'll send you one of our salesmen or our products to you. You'll enjoy exclusive pricing and exclusive customer service. And we give you pre-assembled gates. All the gates we showed right now, you'll be able to buy them pre-fabbed, meaning you give us the sizes and you come and pick up. All right, see you guys.